this phone I want charge. The light dull for me. So you have to go my case. 5% it there. When you say me get Marga?
What them Marga do you know? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack. Bless up, my people, my viewers, my subscribers. All over the place, all over the world, you know, anyone there, big up on yourself. You know, see the attacking boss there, man. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, and I mean, say attack. Right now is an attack, me a launch, my people. Attack. You see that wannabe boy there? Who say my Dan? Who say my bad man? Who say my gangster? Who say my shutter? With that cliff there in your mouth side, boy. And then fake bugger wire there around your neck. And then fake bugger ring the boy up on finger. Let me tell you something, boy. The tape bus, you know? Me say your tape bus. Attack for your boy. Attack for your boy. People, let me tell you something. You know, say you have some boy, some sinting at Jamaica. Not just yard alone all over the place. Then claim say them a shatter. Say them a gangster, say them a bad man, my people. Real talking and a joke about it. See? But, you see, if you ever catch them off guard, or you see, if night time could have turned daylight and what them lock up in my people, oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK, yeah, that's what them up to. You would have see them what them up to. Some of them will see come a road. And I give a cliff. Enough man I love take cliff out a man mouth. Let me tell you something. Careful. Enough of them big man there. And I look up boy, we are talking about that video we leak out in people. Big man. See, video sent to my people. Over 7 minutes worth of video, but differently on a real level, my people. Me never watch a minute type because from me see what them up to, my people. Me have to, you know what I mean? And me have to say, no sir. Big old man this, my people. Basically then the what them call it, that's something they went to, what conference call, two of them attack video call, my people. One day a yard, one day overseas. And the one a yard, my people, you see what them depend. One bag of ass in it on video. Boy, I'll tell man, boy, you missed this back. Me say, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Eh? Yo, people, me cannot believe. Big brother, a straight attack for your youth. Eh? Look how you look. Say you're a shatter, you're done, you're this in the street. This, the people, as me say, me can't stop nobody from live the life for them choose or the life for them want to live. But what I'm saying is, my people, is to see some people, seeing, oh, you would have expected at the street, you know, because them are the same one where they see certain youth and move certain way. And them same man want job big stone and send man to go carry out it and do this and do that in my people. But look at it now. It all turns around. And from you see the big old dolphin shark will live over some people, the one of the America, with the mouth wide. Like when you dig one toilet pit, my people, and if you hold the pit too small, and you have to make it look wider. I say more bigger and wider. You can't say take some big old plank down the throat there. You understand? Attack for no same thing. When it's corruption and disruption and consumption. You know what I mean? Because you claim say you're a shatter. You claim say you're a bad man. You claim say you're a top man. And any boy violate, any boy come in your place, country this, country that, you will deal with them, you will take care of them, or you just make one phone call. But look there now. The TOP boss. What you gonna do now? Me say, what you gonna do now, piece of sin thing? Eh? People know the sin thing, you know. People know it. You understand? Me say, people know it. Eh? What's sitting them a go on with past stream, them viewers and subscribers? What's saying thing? Clipping a mouth and a puff to like the mouth. You know what I mean? A rings up face. Like him name Bullbuck and Duppy Conqueror. Eh? Boy, me I tell you. You see money. You see money, me people. Enough boy we say out there, you see money. Not trust some of them. That's why me always tell people, you see me. Me not grudge nobody for them have. You know what I mean? Me no want no boy a join a big ride. And I wear the latest brand and this and that, and I say, boy, I wish me could have that. You know, because I know them don't forget that, you know, my people. Because enough for them boy where you see with certain things. Don't believe, say. You see how you get up and I work hard for what you want, and I save and buy what you want. No, nobody believe, because you know how much pain some of them feel. You know how much pamper some of them have to wear. Eh? You know how much bung enough of them have to bung up themselves when them going to the ocean. You know how much because the water that goes a poka right behind them, people, because enough of them take some big old thumpatic down them. No joke about it. So when I see them, don't grudge them, don't envy them. See, because this wannabe boy now claims that them a shatter. Them a this, them a that. See, when it's corruption, youth and consumption and ramsumption. And when real shatter soon, me I tell us, man, I truly never know. Eh? The same thing they on the tape, you know. My people, on video call. See, and when you look on it, my viewers and subscribers, you have to think, you have to wonder. And I say, yo, cause when it just started, you see, like I say, what? I want artist, this, you know what I mean? You know, so all sitting around neck, my people, if lightning never strike, oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK, I'll be a fire that did upon it, my people. You understand? With the old wire them around neck, glass did this up on face, my people. You understand? With some teeth, you come like when you have bake jobs and the sugar not so strong tonight, so some part of the sugar come brown, some part of the jobs will come brown and some part look whitish. You understand? With some teeth look like that and they did the attack my people and I go and puff it. You know what I mean? And when I look on your finger now, you see some thinking dirty old piece of wire ringing up on your finger, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my viewers and subscribers. I saw the same thing looking up. See? And them did it. And when you look on the water one done this, and now as me I tell about the mouth a big and wide like toilet pit when they are digging and they can't stretch good. Eh? And when them start, my people, boy, I can't believe. Expose them. See? And based on when me are hearing my people, a woman, you know. I want woman, you know. You know what I mean? Get where them are dealing, my people find out where them are dealing, because one of them go save this thing. You understand? Have it, maybe they want have it for rewatch. Because the boy a woman too, you know, my people. You understand? And the boy woman leak it out upon him. Straight attack for you now, it's the same thing. The woman leak it out. My people, you cannot trust them same thing. You understand? Don't trust them. Zin, you can't trust them. Woman, ladies, you know, say sometimes when you're there with them same thing, alright? And you know, on yourself, when you feel like, say, yeah, I'm a gold this. I'm a diamond this, I'm a platinum this. But you see when a diamond gone out there and say go and do this and go and do that, me I tell her say it a ball out. Why? Because what same thing it a take. Straight attack for honor. Straight attack. You understand? Straight. That's why you say, people, me not trust nobody, and me always tell you that. And some people just can't come close to me. Yeah, not even people just can't, yo, me not draw people close to me because me not trust people, yo. Me not trust people. You understand? Because all heap of them out there, my people, but see it, yeah, but it a shot it a done. Look for you too. Big old thumpatic can't take, boy. Go straight attack for you. My people, big up on yourself. You understand? And just stay safe out there and do the right thing. And as me telling you over and over, don't trust no one. You understand? Me not trust nobody, my people. I'm wanting not trust no one too. You know what I mean? So, just go and big up on yourself again. Take care of yourself. Remember, one team, one dream, one scheme, and one attacking boss. And if you don't subscribe, please do subscribe now, my people. Yeah, man, subscribe. Hit up the notification bell. So as my drop a video, so BAM! You will get them. Peace out, my people. Blessings. Stay safe. Attack.